Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through signing up for the Kids Bowl Free program via the Seacoast Kids Calendar community portal to get your children registered for 2 free games of bowling every single day this summer. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to seacoastkidscalendar.com to find their dedicated summer activities directory link, or jump straight to kidsbowlfree.com. First, click the Interactive Map tool to select your specific state and choose your preferred local participating Seacoast Bowling Center. Next, click the Register button to create your free master parent account by typing in your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. From there, fill in the names and birth dates for each of your kids, keeping in mind the program is tailored perfectly for children between the ages of 2 and 16. Once your family profile is finalized, you can optionally choose to buy a discounted family pass so adults can join in on the lanes, or simply hit skip to finish. Your digital vouchers will instantly generate, allowing you to easily pull them up on your phone at the front desk to start bowling right away. Subscribe the channel for more videos.